Alright, these are going to be the elevators at 1255 Berri Street in Montreal, Quebec. It looks like we found something vintage. Well, sort of. The buttons look replaced. What floor are you going to? 5? Oh. Round 5. I have no idea what brand these are. I'm thinking maybe Drolet, but I don't know for sure. 9? Yep. Here we are in 10. Alright, we'll go back down to RC. Yeah, sadly the buttons are replaced, but everything else seems to be original. Here's a look at the cab. Basic cab. What floor are you going to?
Oh, 8.
8?
Yeah. Over there. No. Next.
Okay. Yeah, the cabs are definitely updated for sure. So are the buttons. That's original though, and this definitely is on its original controller and motor. Here we are on RC. And we'll give this another spin. Three. What floor? What floor?
10.
10? Yeah.
So check in.
Alright.
So check in there.
I'm gonna get a different one. I think it's this one. And I'm gonna get off in the lobby. Here we are in the lobby. And there it goes. See if I can get the bell to ring again. I love that bell. And well, there they go. That's gonna be it. 1259 Berri is the name of the building.